It could be with makeup, it could be with my dressing sense, it could be with everything. Like it, I have strained a lot while I was doing this.
సర్దార్ గబ్బర్ సింగ్ వచ్చేద్దాం. నిజంగా చాలా 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 పెద్ద లక్కీ ఛాన్స్ అని చెప్పాలి ఇది. సో ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు? అండ్ సాంగ్ది మీ పిక్స్ కూడా కొన్ని బయటకు వచ్చాయి. యూ లుకింగ్ వెరీ గార్జియస్, చాలా 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 బాగా అనిపిస్తున్నారు. సో ఆ సాంగ్ పిక్చరేషన్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎలా అనిపించింది? సాంగ్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది? ఆల్రెడీ ఇంతకుముందు గబ్బర్ సింగ్లో కెవ్వు కేక సూపర్ డూపర్ హిట్, ఇది బంపర్ హిట్టా?
This song is for sure because when I heard the song, see, I can't relate to the lyrics, but I have a lot of my friends have come on the set. They are enjoying the music, and DSP is rocking always with the music. And I'm very very happy that I'm working with Pawan ji because he's such a down to earth person. You know, I've never come across a person like him. Very honest, very straightforward. And I like that thing about him because you don't see many people like this. And very focused with his work, what he wants. He has those clear thoughts, the clarity in what he is doing. So it was a pleasure working with him and knowing him as on screen, off screen, he's the same person. You know, he carries an aura. What he's off screen, he carries that on screen. So we've shared some beautiful moments while shooting and all that. We've shot. We started with a song. It's just not a song in the film. I'm playing a very very important a role in the film. I don't want to say which role, but yeah, that's going to highlight.
So okay, throughout the film మీరు ఉంటారు అయితే మూవీ?
It's there. Yeah. So it's just not a song. So I have like 2 songs and I have few scenes.
Oh, double dhamaka.
Yeah. So I'm very fortunate to be part of this film. The film subject is very interesting, and then Gabbar Singh is a sequel.
Yeah.
So it's Sardar Gabbar Singh, and it's already, and the song that I shot is for sure I think 2016's the biggest blockbuster. I'm not kidding. I'm not hyping up because it's my song, but that's the first song which has been shot till now. I'm sure Devi is going to give much more exciting music to the film, but this film, in my song, there are certain catchy words. I'm sure everybody is going to sing throughout every time, even right from you know, a small kid.
ఓకే, మీరు ఇప్పుడు క్యాచీ వర్డ్స్ అని చెప్తున్నారు. ఆ సాంగ్లో కెవ్వు కేక చాలా క్యాచీ వర్డ్. ఈ సాంగ్లో ఏంటి స్పెషల్? రివీల్ చేస్తారా? యూ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు రివీల్?
No, this song I can say it starts as Toba Toba.
తోబా తోబా. ఓకే.
So it's like very very catchy, very simple words, but very nice. And Ganesh ji has done the choreography beautifully shot.
తమిళ్లో చాలా మూవీస్ చేశారు. ఈవెన్ మీరు తమిళ్ చాలా బాగా మాట్లాడతారు కూడా, తెలుగు అర్థం చేసుకుంటున్నారు. బట్ వేరే లాంగ్వేజెస్లో ఎందుకు ఎక్కువ చేయట్లేదు మూవీస్?
See, my major focus has always been Tamil and Malayalam, is